Finally, Redmi has launched the most awaited Note 9 series globally yesterday. In the event, Redmi has launched three variants of its Note 9 series, that is Redmi Note 9, Redmi Note 9 Pro and Mi Note 10 Lite. All these mobiles are accomplished with powerful processor, stunning camera and enhanced battery life. So, without wasting any time, let's jump into the video and let's see in detail what are the features of this mobile. And guys, I am Prasanna, you are watching TechPixel channel. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe us and hit the bell icon for instant notification. First, we will have a quick look at Redmi Note 9 specifications. The screen size is 6.53 inches with IPS LCD and dot display. For cover, a Corning Gorilla Glass version 5 has been used. When it comes to camera, it has 4 rear cameras, that is 48MP main camera and 8MP wide angle lens with 2MP macro and 2MP dead sensor. When it comes to secondary camera, Redmi Note 9 has used 16 megapixel, and for processor, MediaTek Helio G85 chip has been used with 3GB and 4GB of RAM variant. Battery, it's 5020 mAh powerful battery. If you look at the display feature of Redmi Note 9, IPS LCD display has been used, and this display provides you faster response time and wider viewing angles for better color and contrast. And it also has a stylish notch-free display. When you look onto the camera features, it has stunning 4 cameras. For 48 megapixel main camera, Samsung GM1 primary sensor has been used to offer vivid photos. In Redmi Note 9, new powerful processor of MediaTek Helio G85 has been used, and it has been told that this mobile gives you seamless gaming experience. With enhanced battery life of 5020 mAh, Redmi Note 9 comes with 18 volts fast charging. With 3GB of 64GB variant, the price costs Rs 15,000, and for 4GB with 28GB variant, the price is Rs 19,000. Let's talk about Redmi Note 9 Pro and its specifications. The screen size is 6.7 inches with IPS LCD display. And for cover, Corning Gorilla Glass version 5 has been used. When it comes to the processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G has been used with RAM variant of 6GB with 64GB variant and 6GB with 128GB variant. For camera, 64 megapixel main camera and 8MP wide angle lens, 5MP macro camera with 2MP depth sensor. And for selfie camera, it's 13 megapixel front cam. The battery life is actually 5020 mAh, which is same as Redmi Note 9. The display features are similar when comparing to Redmi Note 9. Here the major difference is its processor. Here Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G has been used for powerful process with Adreno 618 GPU for great graphics. This Note 9 Pro costs 13,999 for 4GB with 64GB variant and Rs 16,999 for 6GB with 128GB variant. Let's talk about Mi Note 10 Lite and its features. The display size is actually 6.47 inches with AMOLED display. For cover, Corning Gorilla Glass version 5 has been used. When it comes to the processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G has been used with the RAM variant of 6GB with 64GB variant and 8GB with 128GB variant. The camera has 4 stunning cameras with 64GB main cam and 8MP wide angle lens, 5MP depth sensor and 2MP macro camera. For selfies, 16 megapixel front camera has been used. The battery is 5260 mAh powerful battery. This Mi Note 10 Lite stands different when comparing to other two mobiles. Here it has been used AMOLED display and also the camera with 64 megapixel for stunning clarity and enhanced night mode. Also the RAM variant is quite different for Mi Note 10 Lite. RAM starts with 6GB with 64GB variant and highest of 8GB with 28GB variant. The price costs nearly Rs 24,000 for 6GB and Rs 32,000 for 8GB variant. So that's all for today guys. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for instant notification.